Today we're going to be talking about definite articles. There. Alright. Need to get my pen out. Alright. So definite articles are the equivalent of the in English. However, we got 4 of them in Spanish. So for masculine, we have el for masculine nouns, and then we got los for the masculine plural nouns. We got la for feminine singular nouns, and we have las for feminine plural nouns. And if there's any time where I go too fast throughout this, just pause it and then continue. So both English and Spanish nouns name people, places, and things. However, Spanish have both masculine and feminine nouns. So we got el chico, the boy, la chica, the girl, el sombrero, the hat, la falda, the skirt. So looking at el amigo, how do we know what gender it is? So there's 2 things here. We got el, it shows that it's masculine. And then we have a noun that ends in o, which also shows that it's masculine. Now we need to figure out what number it is. So once again, we look at the article, which is el. That el is a singular article. Then we look at the ending again. It's only o, there's no s onto it. So we know that it is singular. So looking down below at amigos, which article are we going to use? So we know that A, it is masculine because it ends in an O, and also it's plural because it ends in an S. So we're going to say los. So let's go work through some of these. So we have the girl, which is going to be la chica. The girls, to make that plural, you're going to say las chicas. The boy, el chico. The boys, los chicos. The cookie, la galleta. Las galletas, the cookies. The man, el hombre. The men, los hombres. So just to review here, we got singular nouns, singular articles, which is el. So we have el chico. Then to indicate that it's masculine, then the chico part is going to be ending in O. For plural, we got los. To indicate that there's more than just one boy, it's going to end in OS. And for feminine, we have la, or the. To indicate that it's a feminine noun, it's going to end in an A. And to make it plural, we're going to say las chicas. To indicate that we've got more than just one girl, you're going to end in AS. So in Spanish, the definite article that goes with each noun will match its gender and number. So the gender is masculine or feminine. Number means how many. Is it singular or plural? So here's a few examples. We got los sombreros. Here we got the number. We know that's plural because it's got los here, and it also has an S on the end of it. We know that's masculine because there's an O for los, and then also we have los, meaning the O here for masculine. We got the gender, masculine, the number, plural. So we're going to be saying los. So indefinite articles now. So the indefinite articles are like a for singular, and then we have some to make it plural. You can have either a girl, or you can have some girls. Some being plural. Have a boy, be singular, or you have some boys being plural. So indefinite articles, a or some. For masculine, we have un. For masculine plural, we're going to say unos. For feminine singular, una. Feminine plural, unas. Let's look at some examples here. So indefinite articles also, just like the definite ones, agree in gender and number. So we have a boy. So we're going to be saying un chico. Now if we have some boys, being plural, we're going to say unos chicos. If you have a girl, you're going to say una chica. And some girls, unas chicas. Well, let's try some here. So a girl, we know that it's singular, a, and we know that it's feminine because we have a girl there. So we should have una chica. Now some girls, we're looking at the gender, we know that's feminine, and we also know that it's plural because it ends in an S. So we should have unas chicas. A boy, we know that's singular because we just have one here, and we know that's masculine. So un chico. Some, we know it's masculine, and we know that's plural because it ends in an S. Unos chicos. A cookie. Una galleta. If we have some cookies, unas galletas. A man. Un hombre. Some men. Unos hombres. So for review here, for indefinite articles, for a, we're going to be saying un. For masculine nouns that end in o. To make it plural, we say unos. And we're at os to make those plural masculine nouns. For singular feminine nouns, we're going to use, for a, we're going to be using una. To make that feminine, we're going to say una. For some, we're going to say unas. And to make that plural, we're going to say chicas, adding an as to it. So go ahead and try these other examples, and we'll check those when I come back for the next day on Wednesday.
in the scenario.